Hello all, welcome back to Excel Skill. Today we learn how to enter the list of working days, that is weekdays, with the usage of weekday formula. With the usage of this weekday formula, we can exclude only the Saturday and Sundays. Only Monday to Friday we can get the list for a given period of time. It could be for a month or it could be for a year. That too within a fraction of minutes. So let us start how to get that weekdays. Firstly, insert the date today and go to Home tab, and in that Home tab go to the series, click on to the series and you will get the dialog box fill series. Click on that. Again you will get a dialog box called series. Here you need to check on column wise, and here the date should be ticked, and here you have the weekday function called weekday, and you also have the stop value. For here I am giving for a month. You can also give for a year. I am just giving for the July month. So now I'll give the date as give OK. You could see the days have been. You can see the days. After 8, 9 and 10 is weekends, so it is been excluded from the list, and so as such 16 and 17 is also weekend. You get the date of only the weekdays. Like this you can give for any given part of time. Within a fraction of minutes you will get to know the results of only the weekdays. You can see here after 8th, 9th and 10th is a Saturday and Sunday, hence it has not been included here in the list. Do like, comment and share. Thank you for watching this video again. Your subscription will be an encouragement to come up with many more Excel hacks. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.